Yo, Brooks a good youth, and this should have never reach him. So I have to send Mike.
Wagwan guys, I'm back again with this quick update. You don't know, we bring everything to your readiness. Please me beg you guys, please go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe and share it to your friends and your family and everybody you know. You don't know, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Boom.
Yo, Brooks a good youth, and this should have never reach him. So I have to send my condolences to Brooks' family members and friends and his entire community, including the social media one, because everybody love Brooks. Every single body. You see me I say? But I want the younger generation to really realize what take place. Every single Easter holiday, every single Lent season, them car accident ever happen. People, just yesterday alone on Good Friday, over 5 car accidents take place in Jamaica, including Brooks' own. I'm wondering if I'm not blind or something, because every single year, them things that happen. People, the time of Lent, especially the younger generation me I talk to, the time of Lent is not the time for party and them things. The time of Lent is to prepare yourself to praise and serve God, for remember Him. So when una go out and away, got party and them things, then though I've got it on the heart or though I've got it on the mind, them things are about for happen. Because God given you the entire year for do anything in a party and go on with yourself. But when it comes down to the time of Lent, is the time to prepare yourself to serve Him and pray to Him, but on the outside a party. I not swear reach Brooks for happening, people. Nobody want that to happen to Brooks. But I want to always remember the Bible and always remember God give you a time and place to do certain things. So when a theme time and enough for serve Him when a theme time. You see me I say? Viewers, the video they with Brooks, If you want to see the video, go on Google, search for mountain.com, watch the video on that website. If your heart is not strong, don't go and watch the video. But viewers, the video, it's horrible. It's like Brooks never have on him seatbelt, him fly out of the car, him entire clothes like strip off him. It's not a pretty sight. God know. Him go out like, I don't wish that for my worst enemy to how that really take place. The youth face mash up people. You see me I say, the youth face mash up, I don't know how him family go cope with this. You see me I say, yesterday Brooks outside in my party. You see me, him posted on him Instagram story and stuff like that, him outside a party. And then in the night, him lose him life through a car accident. He never know say that take place. Nobody don't know when them life are gonna get take. So me I beg on people, especially the younger generation, serve God. When a time for God, you pray to Him, you prepare yourself for Him. God give you the whole of the year, but sometimes God just asks for one season, that is the season of Lent, to prepare yourself to pray for Him and serve Him, and then you can do whatever else you want through the entire year. But it's like on a blind, and every single year, instead of not pray to God throughout the time of Lent on the outside a party and I do them thing there. People, leave your thoughts in the comment section below, leave your condolences, and tell me what you think. But this should have never reached Brooks still. Bro, I don't even know what else to say. Jano Star.
Ask me say, that's leaf.
Grass and leaf are not the same thing.
No, me want the grass, cause dog and cat piss and shit on them something there. And that I find me live, I this so then shit and piss pan. And you want me go eat that, no. So you have to eat that when me eat the grass, bro. Eat the grass. Green grass. You can't tire that man. You not party for fucking me. 2 minutes up on TikTok, you feel like you can't beat me up. My people them there.
The grass man, they are up on live. I look grass.
I feel in your yard.
I'm joking this dog.
Here we go. Show me some cheese. Let me tell you what leaf you eat. Show me cheese. Show me some cheese. Let me tell you what leaf you eat.
Big man thing, the yard cut. Let me show you the yard cut, bro.
Yeah, so show me cheese then.
For real, bro.
Yeah, so show me cheese right in the yard. The cheese them.
You know, dog.
What that? Aki cheese? What kind of cheese that? Aki?
Yeah.
Go pick 2 leaf. Pick 2 Aki leaf and fall.
Yeah, no, brother. You're going for the Aki leaf, them, bro.
Yeah, man. Go on for 2 Aki leaf, bro.
Pick off for the regular leaf, them, bro. The regular one, them chabas. Oh, God, man. Oh, God, you what? You what? Yo, my muscle, you know, chabas. You what? My muscle, alright, bro.
No, you want to know over here. Who not call me for Instagram for? Who not call me? Me gonna lock off that, you know. Who not call me see be a message for Instagram. I hope I picture who send me, you know. Oh, who's ever fucking calling me? Stop.
Judge you what? John star. Right, see grass at Chaba.
Wait, I didn't. Okay. Alright. Which one you want to do first? I'll say, remember when you do push up, you have to eat. Do that first. It's not easy. Do that first. Don't cry, Tavier. Come on, man. Take up some good food of dirt.
You dirt, yeah.
It's spicy. No, Tavier! No eat the Aki leaf! Aki carry poison. Not eat the Aki leaf. Try something else. Pick one next tree. Aki poison. Aki leaf poison. Jesus Christ. Look how we nearly kill after Tavier.
I nearly lose my life.
Go pick one next leaf, bro. I didn't know. I'm so sorry. Fuck. Me almost have a body under my name. Jesus Christ. Go pick Aki poison, bro. You have mango leaf? Tavier, stop lick off the leaf now, bro. You have mango?
Bro, see, alright, see leaf here.
What kind of tree that?
A regular tree them, yeah.
Man, you eat poison bush.
Regular tree with goat yam.
Alright, if goat near me, we can eat it. Come. Why if he eating? But if goat near me, we can eat it.
Alright, see a mango tree, yeah.
Alright, pick 2 mango leaf and 2 high goat leaf. Oh, come on. But me not see grass right there, so dog. No little grass patch.
So
alright, here we go. Take up the dirt now.
Judge you would. See dirt, yeah. Me have the dirt, bro.
Show me not see. Come forward closer.
Be a gravelly ass, bro. Me have to go go feed dirt, bro.
No man, the gravel can't work, man. See it less problems here.
Judge you, dog.
Mercy, the gravel will work, man. Come closer to the camera when I do it, you know. Who I see, you know. You know where badness come down, you know. Come on!
Yo, Travis, John, brother, you're trying to make me win no more match, you know, dog?
You're not catch me for win no more. Cause me team
Alright, try
me
and
lose. Come on, Tavier.
Alright, see it here.
Yes, do it now. What's up? Go, hey, bro, you rub it. I'll be a stone and drop in your head, bro. Him and I. If I that dirty, we da fuck up more, you know. Me not like that area. Me not like that.
But me do it, yes, a gravel could have worked.
With the bomb buckler, no be a stone that, bro.
But yes, a gravel could have worked, bro. See that?
Yeah,
bro, that's done now.
Shit. That's stone, that dog.
That done now. Done now, Travis, that done. What next? Grass?
Alright. Eat the grass and do 65 push up then. Come, have the grass at 2. You see like when you watch movie, you see code in the pan. Just at 2 ago, so. Just.
I know, star.
Come on, bro, we can do this. You can do this, bro. I have faith in you out there. Come on, I gotta go get baby girl. Let's go. Quick and fast. No, push your light in here more. No homo. Anybody listen to this? No homo. Push your light in here more. And Joe, make we still leave them and circulate in here more. No homo. No bite leave. Me never said Jesus.
Just body in a dog.
Two push your light in here more and just Joe. No solar. No solar. Me know why you're dead. No solar. Man, I me leave you really, no. Tavier, you hearing me?
Come through work.
Yam it. Come here, tell yam it. You don't listen. Yam it, man. Yam it, Tavier. Yam it. How much leaf you gone already? One. Alright. Eat them 2 at a time, bro. It done quicker. Put them like a sandwich and go ask. Put them together like bread and go to ask. Me say why already? You don't know if you why me. You don't know me don't run that way there. Be a girl to me thing. So me don't care when I want why. Me say why already.
Yo, what is me do? What is that? Ah, you keep body there. That keeps body there, bro.
David, just continue through the thing now, bro. Your teeth green when you're done.
Yo, Chavas trying to make me win and wear much after this, you know.
We're gonna play one more after this, and I want to see you win. Try win me. We're gonna bet something else.
I done them 2 grass and a bit done, dog.
Yeah. Put it all them together and chew them up. Remember me push up them. You feel do push up while I do that, you know. Can't forget.
What is?
You want to send me 4 money gun for not do push up them?
Good, man.
Grab smart gun. Good morning, sir. God bless. Selassie. Yearly what go? Yearly Manuel King Selassie. Ja! Rastafari. Grab smart gun in our building. When I veteran reggae artist them, you know. Selassie. You don't know I pray. See me? Rough.
Oh, your grass done.
Alright. Do 65 push up now. Guys, we have veteran reggae artist over here. Grams Morgan. Follow him, guys. Big reggae artist. Grams Morgan, you missed the match, bro. It was an awesome game in the morning, bro. You need to wake up early, sir. I know you're getting old, but you need to work with the young people in timing. 7 o'clock in the morning, we here from 7 on a Saturday. Push up and look so weak. A massive stick, guys. You know, just give him a break. Him born not so strong. No, we gonna make him do what he can.